How to add topics on Instagram Reel. Hello and welcome to our channel WebViz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add topics on your Instagram Reels. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app and then swipe left. Then here tap on Reel. Then record a reel, or if you want to add reel from your gallery you can tap on here. Then from here select the video that you want to add to your reel. Then here tap on add in the top right corner. Then tap on next and then again tap on next, and here scroll down and here you will see the add topics option. Tap on it and here you will see all of the topics you can add. But remember, you can only select up to 3 topics to help match your reel with viewers. So select the topics you want, and then after selecting you have to tap on done here in the top right corner. Then here you just have to tap on share and it will be shared with the topics you have selected. And so this is how you can add topics on your Instagram reel. Thanks for watching.